Over the last couple of years, Rockhampton's certainly got a much more metropolitan feel. And I think that this little pocket of housing in Rockhampton CBD is going to be one of the hot spots in property moving forward. This house, sat on a small block, is for sale at under $200,000. It represents great value. Whether you're an investor or a first home buyer, you're going to love where this one's positioned. Just a walking distance from Cocoa Brew and Dingle's Cafe, two of Rockhampton's finest eating experiences. Let's take a look. $153 Kent Street in Rockhampton City is real value for money. If our team can help you into this property, give us a call. We would love to help you out.